Alright everyone, today I'm going to be looking at these Fibble Wibbles. I know you might not be able to see it right now, but yes, there are Fibble Wibbles on here. And today I'm going to talk to you about them. The 1 minute quick tip, oh yeah. Alright, these Fibble Wibbles are called Bestem aerial control knobs, and they make your herky-jerky drone shots nice and smooth, like this. Bestem aerial control knobs are really easy to use. Simply, just stick them on your stick. Simply, take your control knob and stick it on the stick by pushing down and holding the stick at the same time. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, adios!